Hey guys, it's Mia Moore and I am back to give you guys a quick update on what's going on right now in my life. So today is September 8th. I am less than a week away from my initial inspection. A lot to do, like do my first aid kit, my emergency bag, and then also get all of my paperwork together. So I just finished my parent handbook. So this is, I have it small because I don't want y'all to see like my name and stuff like that, but this is my parent handbook, and it's just, yeah. So that is my parent handbook. I just completed it all with my emergency evacuation plan and stuff like that. I just have to put my floor plan, I can't talk, my floor plan up so that the inspector can see. So once that is done, I'll basically be good to go when it comes to like paperwork and stuff. Another thing that I also have to do, or want to do per se, is put all of my enrollment forms in the folder for each kid, so they will be good to go and the inspector can see like where I plan to store it, how it's going to look, and things like that. What else? I did not get my rug yet, which is a bummer because I really wanted the rug to be in before I started putting stuff up on the wall in the dining room, but it is okay. I called the food program coordinator today to see if I can get signed up, but I need my official green light before I can get signed up with them. And yeah, things are coming along just fine. It's a little bit, it's getting like really real, and I'm just like, dog, it's like it's next week and I need to have everything put together. Like, I don't really have too much of an update. I'm just chilling, just trying to get things done, to be honest with you. But if y'all have any questions, let me know, man. Just let me know. And I will see you guys in a bit. Right now, I'm on YouTube and I'm just going through old videos to, you know, make sure I didn't miss anything. This channel is called Playtime Childcare Training. This is also my childcare trainer. She's amazing. And I'm just going through, yeah, I'm just looking at the videos, making sure I didn't miss anything. And yeah, that's what I've been doing all day, and that's probably what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the day. I do need to go to the Dollar Tree and get some water bottles, but other than that, I ain't doing nothing today, nothing at all. I'm going meal prep for my dinner for this week in a few minutes, and yeah, I might just go ahead, I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest, y'all. I might just wait till 6 o'clock or whatever and go run to Dollar Tree and Home Depot to get the ink, and then to also get the rest of the stuff that I need. But yeah. Hi guys, so guess what just came in? My rug. I have to get the package first though, so let's look what came in. Yo, I'm super excited. Oh, this is dusty and dirty and just nasty. Yo, I'm so excited for this rug, y'all. So first of all, let's move my little... Let's take a moment to realize that I finally moved my dining room table. The rug down first. Let's move this stuff out of the way. I'm gonna put this up today while I'm cooking my chicken and stuff. My meal prep for this week. Let's go ahead and move this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sweep. All right guys, so this is what I have come up with so far. I moved the kitchen and the little baby area to over here to this corner, and I put up some fruit and vegetable posters and then some grain, cereals and grains, and then I was thinking about putting these over here as well. I think I changed my mind. I want to spread it out a little bit. Or maybe I want to save some so I can switch it out. Don't mind my kitchen. I want to save some so I can switch it out. So I think I am going to take this down and just leave these 3 up here. And I'm going to put some more of these along here, I think. I'm not sure, honestly. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, give me some suggestions if y'all have some. Like, I don't know what else I should do. So all this right here, I'm putting up because I'm not sure if I'm gonna use that just yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending a day with me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye.